Simulan na natin. Ito na. Ha, panibagong araw. Panibagong usapin.
Panibagong dating.
Panibagong kwento ang hihimayin natin. Ayun.
Ay, yan. Dito yan. Kung saan hindi lang tibok ng puso ang bumibilis.
Pati utak sa pagkilatis dahil bawat sagot merong twist.
Wow.
Simulan na natin ang kwentuhan dito sa Bawal
Judgmental ka ba?
Baka makarelate ang mga dabarkas natin sa kwentuhan today.
Baka naman.
Tama po. Team Studio, Team Bahay at Team Online, shoutout po sa inyo dahil magsisimula na ang kwentuhan.
Okay. Ryan. Yes, sir. Oh, yes, sir.
Go, bossing!
Simulan nyo na.
Napatingin tuloy ako sa'yo.
Gusto mo ba?
Oo, pwede ba?
O, ikaw na. Ikaw may hawak ng pera.
Sige.
Bossy, yung mukha ni Ma'am Alan eh. Ayan, Ma'am
So may
Alan.
30,000 na siyang hawak.
Siyempre,
ngayon,
hindi kumpleto ang kwentuhan kung walang kikilate sa mga bisita natin.
Siyempre, ang judges for today,
Yeah.
kasama natin siya kanina napapanood sa Pajak Princess sa pelikulang Maple Leaf Dreams. Siya lang pala talaga.
Yeah.
So, judge natin. Si Kira Ballinger. Ballinger.
Hello, Kira. Welcome back.
Hello, thank you po.
Kira, good luck sa inyong mga projects. Pero ang tanong lang naman namin sa inyo judgmental ka ba?
Maging totoo po tayo, no?
Yung totoo lang. Judgmental ka ba?
Minsan.
Tuwing kailan yun? Pag ganyan.
Pag, sasabihin ko na ba yung pet peeve ko?
Pag
My
kinakailangan
goodness.
no? May mga...
Minsan lang ako, pag kunyari sa hygiene, dyan po ako nagiging medyo judgmental. Ay hindi ba? Huwag po kayong mag-alala. You're very, very mabango, yes.
Nag-worry na naman.
Dahil judgmental kapag dating sa hygiene, Kira, meron kang 30,000 pesos.
Yun.
Salamat po. Bye-bye. Thank you.
Hindi pa. May laro pa. Buong buo yan. May uuwi mo yan ng buong buo kung iingatan mo, Kira. Dahil dito sa round 1, kapag mali ang iyong sagot, minus 10,000 pesos yan agad.
Aray
Huwag
ko.
kang pumayag.
Aray ko, 10K agad.
Wag. Simulan na natin ng Round 1!
Kira, sa round na ito, may mga bisita tayong pwedeng makatulong o makagulo sa'yo. Okay? Ingat. Kaya good luck.
Dabber Cats, pasok!
Hello, Dawagats.
Pakilala, introduce yourself.
Liz.
Hi, I'm Liz. I'm from Kenya, and my life motto is live for eternity.
Jumbo.
Next.
Hello, Dabakats. My name is Sophia. I'm from Kenya. My motto is love is truly good when you meet the right person.
Ganda nun. Totoo yun.
Kira, dalawang taga-Kenya ang bisita natin, kaya Kenya tayo.
Kenya.
Pakialam.
Kenya na tayo.
Ano sa tingin mo ang mga kwento ng mga bisita natin?
Bakit sa tingin mong nandito sila sa harap natin?
Honestly, hindi ko alam.
You have no idea?
Nothing at
Mag-invento ka
all.
ng kahit na anong istorya.
Sila dito ay mga...
Call center.
Call center agent.
Sa Kenya.
Ano sa palagay mo, ang kwento ng buhay nila? Ba't sila andi dito sa Pilipinas?
Baka po para magturo ng kanilang kultura sa amin, parang gano'n.
Culture
So
exchange.
parang ambassador sila, gano'n?
Opo, parang gano'n.
Okay. O sige, ganito, Kira. Bibigyan ka pa namin ng chance. Mas kilatisin ang mga kasama natin ngayon. Ngayon, tinginan muna. Eye to eye to eye. So, listen,
Ladies,
Sophia.
if you could face Kira,
Please face Kira.
look her in the eye. Aside from beautiful eyes, what do you see?
Okay, sana
Thank you, ladies.
Nanay, matalas ang naging pakiramdam mo sa ating mga kasama. Good luck, Kira. Para sa round 1, alamin na natin ang tanong.
Ang tanong! Sino sa kanila ang pinagkasundo ang pag-aasawa sa isang Pinoy?
Ibig sabihin, arranged marriage. Okay?
Arranged marriage.
Pinagkasundo ng mga magulang, ikinasal sa isang Pinoy.
Okay.
You understand?
Yes. Yes po.
Narito ang mga pagpipilian mo. Papakilala namin uli sa iyo. Narito si Liz. Ayan si Liz.
Andyan rin po si Sofia.
Sila ang iyong mga choices, Kira. Ang tanong, sino sa kanila ang pinagkasundo ang pag-aasawa sa isang Pinoy? You have 10 seconds to decide and the timer starts now.
Oh my God! Mahirap! Sino po sa
Arranged
inyo
marriage.
marunong mag-Tagalog?
Hindi pwede silang kausapin.
Ay, sorry. Oo.
Time is up.
Okay. I have a feeling si Liz.
Si Liz? Bakit si Liz sa palagay mo?
Hindi ko po.
Basta feeling mo lang.
Hula lang.
Is that your final judgment?
Yes po.
Final judgment. Lock. Nakalock na si Liz.
Liz,
Check or X?
ikaw ang pinili ni Kira. Tama kaya na si Liz ang pinagkasundo ang pag-aasawa sa isang Pinoy?
Oh, no. Yes!
Oh! Si Liz na!
Congratulations, Kira! Safe
Thank
ang
you.
30,000 pesos.
Oo! Ang 30,000. Kausapin natin.
Liz.
Si Liz, Main and Miles.
Hello, Liz. Welcome to Eat Bulaga.
Hello.
Hi,
Liz.
congratulations.
Thank
You're
you.
married to a Filipino.
Yes.
When did you get married?
10 years ago,
10
2014.
years ago.
Yes. Yeah.
What's the name? Tatanong ko sana yung...
Hindi pwede.
Mali.
Hindi pwede.
How was it? How was it? Who told you about the arranged marriage? Your mom? Your
My
parents?
mother and his mother are very good friends. Yes.
Oh,
And so
best friends.
Best friends.
How
yeah.
old are you that time?
I was 24. Yeah.
24. Bagets ate.
Yeah, but how did your parents decide on that arrangement?
Yes, because his parents, they're missionaries in Kenya, from Philippines to Kenya, and his mother really liked my mother, and they're very good friends. And so from there, they're like, you know, our children should get married, but we didn't meet, we didn't know each other, and so it was really something that we just obeyed our parents.
Obeyed the
Yes,
parents.
yes.
But when did you meet your husband?
Yeah, was he there at that time?
No. He was in the Philippines. I was in Kenya. And so, yeah, I rejected for 2 years. For 2 years, I was like, no,
You
thank
said
you.
no.
Yeah, I mean, look at me. Yeah, why would somebody arrange my marriage? Not to be proud, but honestly, nobody wants to be picked for a spouse, right?
Yes.
Yes, it's crazy, right? And so we thought our parents were crazy. But you know, eventually, we're very obedient children, is what I can say.
Liz,
Yes.
culturally, in
Yes.
Kenya, is
Yes.
it normal for
No, it's not
marriages
normal.
to be arranged?
I've
Oh, it's
never
not
met,
normal.
I've never had, I've never seen. In fact, they think it's common in Philippines.
Because it's not
Maybe it
common
was a
here
BFF
either.
thing.
Yes.
Yeah.
They keep
So
asking, so in Philippines, people arrange.
What made you decide finally to obey your parents?
What made me obey? Because I love my mother so much, and I loved his family. I was literally marrying his family because I knew his family, but not him. There are 12 children, and he's number 6. So I didn't know him. Who knows the middle child? You know,
Did you
right?
choose? Did you choose pataas or pababa?
But when did you meet Liz?
Your husband.
When we were when he came to propose to me in Kenya, he flew to Kenya and proposed. Then he left immediately, like no time. Yeah, he
That's
just
it?
came to propose, then left.
That was your first meeting with your husband? The proposal?
It wasn't our first meeting, actually. But it was our first proper, our first proper. I saw him on Facebook.
Okay.
And then I blocked him.
Why
I
did
saw-
you
Why did you block him?
Because our mothers again wanted us to get married, and I did not want. So just in case he got the idea to send me a message, I'm like, no,
You
thank you.
blocked
I
him.
blocked him, and he was not my type. When you see the profile picture, hindi my type, grabe.
Ay, hindi my type. Grabe.
Ano ba yung type mo? Ano ba yung type mo, Liz?
No,
Hindi
kung,
type mo.
kung marunong ka mag-Tagalog,
Konti lang po.
okay.
Wow.
Kung hindi ka kinasal sa husband mo na Pilipino, ano bang type mo sana? What's your type?
Si Tol.
Tall.
Tall.
Tol, yes.
June Mar Fajardo. Charing.
Jericho Rosales.
Jericho Rosales. Don't you know that Jericho Rosales is the Mr. Pogi of Eat Bulaga?
Oh, really?
That was part of the show.
Wow. I was hoping to meet him today. Oh, yeah.
Maybe next time.
We can call him. Can you call Jericho Charing? Oh, sige.
How would you describe your husband, though?
He's very loving. He's really very loving. And though our first date was after the wedding, he's very hard not to fall in love with. He's so caring and just a man of God. I love him. He is really the perfect. Actually, your parents know who is perfect for you. Yes.
But how do you handle the cultural differences, though?
Well, the first 3 years were very difficult. I'll tell you that for real. Very, extremely difficult. But with God in the midst, God in our center, just centering us together. And then Asia and Africa, not too far. We really have a lot of respect in culture. We're not too far apart. Though in food, yes, we are very far apart.
What are the difference in food? What were the difficulties for you?
For me, for example, your sinigang, why is it bitter? I don't know why. And then
Why is it
sour?
maasim yun.
no, actually, mostly it wasn't for me. It was for him. Our food is very different. Very, very different for him.
So who does the cooking in the house?
Ako.
Ikaw?
So more on African food?
I have learned how to make all the food. Kare-kare, adobo. Wow. Yeah, bulalo,
Liz, wait, you said a while ago you blocked your husband
Yes.
on Facebook.
Yes.
How long before you allowed yourself to,
2
alright,
years.
I'll talk to him?
2 years.
2 years? Tagal din natin.
No, I didn't. I allowed him to talk to me when he was on my knee, when he was on his knee proposing, will you marry me? And I was going to say no, but because there were so many people, I didn't want to embarrass him. I'm like, yeah.
So you said yes. But after that, he went back to the Philippines,
Yeah,
right?
he flew back to the Philippines. I had no time to say no, and his mother flew me immediately to plan the wedding. Yeah, yeah.
Where did you get married, though? In the Philippines?
In the
or
Philippines, where there's no divorce.
That's what you call, Liz, that's what you call walang kawala.
Yes.
No escape.
No escape. I didn't know that. I found out later. There's no divorce.
Did you have a boyfriend before you got
Yes,
married?
I was even dating when he was proposing.
Whoa.
Yeah, I did.
From
What was
Kenya.
Yes, from Kenya. A Kenyan.
What was his reaction?
I know,
You
right?
knew about that.
The boyfriend.
Yeah,
Is he there?
I told him no. I told him I'm in a complicated situation right now that my parents have got me into. Actually, it was more my mother and his mother. So, because it's also his mother who told him, "You go to Kenya and just ask her, is it yes or no? We move on, And so yeah, that's how it happened.
But 10 years into marriage,
Yes.
how is it for you being married to a Filipino?
I love it. Like I feel like Philippines is definitely my only home. For sure. I was created to be in the Philippines. Yes. That's what I love.
Do you have kids already?
Yes, we have
How
4
many
kids.
kids?
4 kids!
4 kids.
Are they here?
Yes, they're
should've brought them
here. Yes, they're here.
So what are the challenges or the most challenging part about being married to a Filipino or being in an interracial relationship?
The most challenging, I would say, would be finding the balance of which culture we're going to use
Right.
in everyday life. Like, which culture will we do, you know, in every day? So we have to find a mixed culture.
How do you do that, especially with your children?
Especially the children,
Yeah.
yes. Well, good thing where we live, because we lived 8 years in Kenya, and then now we've been here for 2 years. So the 8 years in Kenya influenced a lot of our decisions. But now in the Philippines, so we're being influenced a lot to the Philippine way of life, and that we love it, you know. And so the children get to choose what they want in the dinner table. They can choose what they want. They can speak the language they want, you know.
So do your children speak Tagalog?
Konti lang, but they're forced in school, but so yes.
Thank you, Liz.
Thank you so much.
Welcome to the Philippines.
Thank you.
Hi, Sophia.
Hi, Sophia.
Hello.
Are you married, Sophia?
No, I'm not married.
But are you in a relationship?
I prefer not to talk about it.
Okay, it's
because
complicated.
It's
It's
not a serious
complicated, but what was your motto a while ago? Your kasabihan about love.
I talked about love because of Liz. I admire her so much.
Do you know each other?
She's my friend. I met her when I came to Philippines.
Why are you here in the Philippines, Sophia?
Pardon?
Why are you here in the Philippines?
Tourism purposes. Tourism.
Tourism
Yeah, tourism.
purposes.
Yeah.
How long have you been here in the Philippines, Sophia?
6 months. 6 months so far.
Are you planning to stay longer?
Get married.
Or get married eventually?
Pinoy also, Sophia?
Maybe.
6 months is quite a long time for tourism. Do you plan to overstay?
Uy, parang immigration.
What do you
No.
like most about the Filipino culture, Sophia?
I actually like everything. The people are so friendly. The food, the fruits.
What's your favorite Filipino food?
Pardon?
What's your favorite Filipino food?
Tinola.
Tinola. We love tinola too. Thank you
Yeah.
so much,
Thank you,
Sophia. I
Sophia.
hope you enjoy the rest of your stay.
Thank you very much, ladies. And update lang muna tayo. Kira, buong buo ang iyong 30,000 pesos. Pero wala
Galing
mo
mo
nang
doon.
uwi dahil meron pa tayong
Round 2! 30,000 pa rin yung hawak-hawak mo, Sophia. Sa round na ito, round 2, dapat mas galingan mo ang pagkilates dahil kung kanina minus 10,000, ngayon, naku, 15,000 ang mababawas dyan
Mangangalahati
sa
yan.
hawak-hawak mong pera.
Okay, so Kira, pay attention dahil dito sa round 2, may mga makakasama tayo uli. Kaya Dabar Cards,
Pasok! Pakilala?
No coaching.
Hello, The Barkads. Ako nga pala si Bong Padayon na naniniwala sa kasabihan. Sa bawat kamalian, mayroong natututunan.
Wow. Ba? Go, bro.
Magandang hapon, The Barkads. Ito nga pala si Jasper, naniniwala sa kasabihan na it's never too late to follow your dreams.
Next.
Magandang hapon, Dabarkads! Ako nga pala si Sol, naniniwala kahit nahihirapan tayo sa buhay, tumingala lang tayo at merong tutulong sa atin.
Amen. Kira, kanina nakilala natin at nalaman ng kwento ni Liz. May kinalaman pa rin sa kanya ang tanong dito sa round.
Ang
2.
tanong!
Ang tanong!
Simple lang ang tanong, Kira. Sino sa kanila ang asawa ni Liz?
Oh my!
Sino sa kanila ang asawa ni Liz?
Ang pagpipilian mo, si Bong?
Si Bong!
Pwede rin po si Jasper. At andyan rin po si Sol.
Okay. So, Liz, nandyan si Bong, Jasper, and Sol. Sino sa kanila ang asawa ni Liz?
Pwede kang humingi ng tulong ngayon, kay LA.
10 seconds.
Partner, baka gusto mo akong tulungan.
LA, May opinion ka ba, Brad? Baka gusto mong magturo ka lang.
Sorry na, nagbebebe time pa kasi ako dito eh.
Ikaw talaga.
Pare, kung ikaw mag-a-advise kay Kira.
Ako personally si Jasper kasi ang ganda ng polo niya eh. Parang anytime ready to hubad. Kaya ganyan yung mga husband material para sa akin.
Wow!
Ganun ba yun?
Easy.
Tinignan ko tuloy yung
Jasper,
polo ko.
Opinion niya yun.
Okay.
Pero ikaw, Kira, anong
Thank you,
opinion mo?
Ako?
Sino ang asawa ni Liz?
Alam
Bigyan ka
nyo,
namin ng 10 seconds to decide. And that starts now.
Ako kasi napaka-indecisive kong tao. Yung walang tiwala sa sarili, kaya LA.
Tama ka sa first round, ha?
I think it is Kuya Jasper.
Same as LA's choice?
Jasper. Kasi husband material daw.
Get ba? Dahil sa polo rin?
Mukha naman.
Is that your final judgment?
Yes.
Lock!
Bagay naman.
Bagay
sila.
Pinili ni Kira si Jasper dito sa round 2. Ang tanong, siya kaya ang asawa ni Liz. Tama ba na si Jasper ang mister ni Liz?
Nakinig sa akin.
Mali!
Nakinig ka kasi sa akin
Ay, sorry.
Sabi natin si Jasper. Bakit ba?
Jasper!
Hindi siya.
Long time.
Ay, May. Nice to
Ay,
see you
nice to
again.
see you.
Hi,
Ilang
Miles.
8-8s po tayo ngayon?
Uy!
Oo nga. Ikot pa yan.
So, Jasper,
Kasi yung design ng polo niya, para mga design sa Kenya.
Pwede,
Ganyan.
pwede.
Oo nga,
pwede
no?
po. Jasper, kaano-ano mo si Liz?
Si Liz, actually, matagal na kami magkakilala.
Totoo ba? Is that true, Liz?
Kasi nag-message din ako, blinak din ako. Ay,
Hoy!
Kayo dyan ka din, ha?
Joke lang. Hindi,
Hindi kayo
first
magkakilala?
time. First time ko nakilala si Liz. Pero napakaganda ni Liz.
Naman.
Ikaw ba, Jasper, married?
Hindi.
In a
single.
relationship?
Hindi pa. Maghahanap pala baka sa pamamagitan ng polo na to. Baka naman po, nananawagan po ako. Lumapit na po kayo.
Jasper, search sa Facebook.
Kaya mo
Thank you,
yan, Jasper.
Kaya natin
Jasper!
Maraming salamat po. Thank you.
Okay. Hindi si
So,
Jasper
sino?
ang tamang sagot. Alamin na natin, Ma'am Alan.
Kay Bong ako. Kay Bong.
Kay Bong.
Ako kay Sol.
Kay Sol kayo.
Ako kay
dito,
Sol, dahil pag
Ako
pinagsama mo yung pangalan nila, Lisol.
Hindi,
Pwede naman Solis.
sabi ko kay Liz kanina, if I were to choose, I would choose one who looks religious.
Okay.
Kasi yung pamilya niya, di ba, pareho silang
Yes,
religious.
missionary.
Oo.
So, ibig sabihin si Bong
Ano? Dito, sa'yo, hindi mo
Hindi ba pagkatiwalaan?
Pakita na muna natin.
Tingnan natin kung sino tama.
Okay.
Si Bong ba o si Sol?
Lisol.
Si Bong kaya o si Sol ang tama? Si
Sol! Si Sol nga.
Ay, ano to
Tama.
si Bong?
Eh, sino tong si Bong?
Bong, sino ka?
Religious ka ba, Bong?
Hindi.
Di po sigurado.
Ano ginagawa mo dito, Bong?
Dito po ako nagtatrabaho eh.
Ano trabaho mo rito?
Security po.
Ha?
Security.
Security.
Taray, Sir Bong. Sir Bong ka na rin ngayon, ha?
Baka makahanap ka ng love life din eventually. Salamat po.
Thank you, Bong.
Thank you, Bong. So si Sol ang tamang sagot na hinahanap natin sa round 2. Tama si Tito Sen, ha?
Oh, bagay.
Oo, bagay nga.
Bagay.
Lisol.
Sol and
Ganda ng
Liz.
itinong
Sol,
Sol,
kamusta? Narinig na namin yung pagkakakwento ni Liz kung paano kayo nagkakilala. Kamusta nung nalaman mo na, ayan, ipapakasal kayo ng mga magulang ninyo?
Nagulat rin po ako. Sabi ko, ha?
Ay, paano po yung gulat?
Sabi ko, ha? Kasi open naman po ako, pero sabi ko lang, kasi may pinag-usapan sila na Amerikana, puti, o ganyan. Sabi ko, sige, okay lang. Basta Pilipinas, sana. Narrow-minded kasi ako ng close-minded. Eto, years later, siya pala ang perfect na partner ko.
Teka lang, matangkad naman si Sol. Sol is a bit tall and
Handsome.
he's also good
Tall,
looking.
yes.
Gusto niya yata, what were you looking for? Tall and what?
Very, very tall, you know.
Very tall.
Tall.
Baka may heels yan.
Same height, same height.
Sol, anong nagustuhan mo kay Liz? Yan.
Even in the beginning po, kahit nung sabi ko ayaw ko, nakita ko naman na maganda siya. Pero yun nga lang, request ko na sana Pinay. Pero later, nung nagustuhan ko po sa kanya, puno siya ng apoy sa dibdib. Very passionate person.
Passionate.
Yung tanong ko, may girlfriend ka nun?
Before that po, yeah, I had, I was in relationships before that. Nung na-arranged marriage po kami. Pero nung kami na kakasal, wala naman po. Yeah.
So, and Liz, your family seem to really want you guys to get together. Pero ang tanong, yung friends ninyo, how about your friends? How did they react when you guys got together?
I actually hid him. I didn't want my friends to know that I'm marrying him and that my mom chose him. So I hid the fact that I know him even. Completely hid him, yeah.
Same thing with you, Sol?
Hindi naman po kasi doon na kami tumira po sa Kenya. So hindi niya pinagsasabi sa mga kakilala nila kasi yung mga nakakarinig parang ano ba yan? Napaka-weird naman yan. Ang crazy. Hindi kayo magtatagal. Sabi nila mag-iiwanan din kayo. Kahit yung mga well-meaning mga tito-tita niya, yung mga family friends parang dinidiscourage kami. And imagine this was 10 years ago, 2014. Hindi katulad ngayon, 2024. Open ang mga tao ngayon, understanding dati. Pag naglalakad kami magkasama, parang tinutuya kami kahit dun sa Africa. Kasi parang sabi nila, dapat magpakasal ka dun sa kauri mo, di ba? Dapat, bakit kayo magkasama, ganyan. So, we were a bit reserved about it. Then later on, nung 5 years na kami, that's when we started being comfortable of sharing our story to others na at least, di ba, parang hindi na nila masabi, maghihiwalay din kayo, di ba? At least ngayon, meron na kaming pinagsamahan na hindi na kami
10 years, hindi biro yun.
At may mga anak sila po, Mamiki.
Talaga?
Kasama nila today.
Ang babies.
Yes, our 4 kids. Yes.
Oh, cute!
Ala!
Yeah.
Ilan yan? 4?
4 po, yeah. Ito po,
Apat
panganay ko si, what's your name?
Cute. Please introduce
Hello
yourself.
po, my name is Tahila po, and I'm 9 years old.
Ikaw, pakilala ka.
Hello po, my name is Zuriel, and I'm 7 years old.
Ikaw naman, pakilala.
My name is Sandy Ocampo po, and I'm 5 years old.
Oh, ate ito. Hi, what's your name? Ako, parang mahihain mo.
Mukhang bagong gising.
Pakilala mo kay Amber.
Cute. Ayun din yung mga family photos nila, mga Dabber Cats.
Christmas.
Talagang nagbunga ang pagmamahalan. Liz, what's your message to your soulmate?
Ay!
Naisip mo yun, ha?
Well, though hills and valleys, people could not tear us apart. Philippines is the farthest place from Kenya, but God made sure that we find each other. And whether it was through difficult means, you are definitely the one for me until death do us part. I will forever love you.
Sarap naman.
Sol, ikaw din, syempre, may mensahe para kay Liz.
Liz, mahal ko. Thank you for choosing me over friends. Thank you for choosing me over others. And I promise to be with you for the next 10 years and another 10 years and another 10 years. I love you.
Thank you, Sol and Liz, for sharing your love story.
Thank you, kids.
And,
Mabalik tayo sa'yo.
Okay,
30 minus 15. 15 na lang akin ng 15.
Yeah. Baka magkalimutan eh.
At akong mag-abono.
But congratulations
15,000
and
pa rin
thank you
yan.
very much for joining us, Kira.
Thank you so
Good
much
luck sa
po.
movie at sa last week ng Padyak Princess.
And also thank you, LA.
Salamat po.
Okay, maraming salamat sa mga Dabber Cats na nakasama natin ngayon at nakibahagi ng kanilang mga kasaysayan. Pare.
Oo, ang pagmamahal, minsan pinipili natin. Minsan naman, pinipili tayo. Kaya bawal isara.
Correct, no? Pakiulit ka nun, bossing. Pakiulit ka.
Bawal isara ang puso.
Isara ang clowns.
Sa kumakatok.
Hoy, huwag yung isaraan. Doon ako mamaya.
Sa kumakatok na pag-ibig ni Alan Kay.
Bukas, tuloy-tuloy yung pagpasok ng swerte at saya. Pati pag-ibig dito sa...
Thank you,